morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Cryptocurrency exchange GRVT has received a contractual agreement of $3.3 billion in monthly trading volume ahead of its anticipated mainnet launch from popular market makers such as Galaxy Trading Asia, DV Chain, CMS and others, who committed to delivering the trading volume on a monthly basis. Oil prices rose about 1% on concerns that a hurricane forecast to hit Louisiana on Wednesday will disrupt production and refining along the U.S. Gulf Coast. Brent rose 1.1%, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude gained 1.5%. Wall Street's three major indexes gained more than 1% as investors looked for bargains after the previous week's sell-off, while they also waited for inflation reports in the coming days and the Federal Reserve's next policy decision next week.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst to pick up today's main economic events.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT, Germany's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.